Hi everyone and welcome to Smart Culture Education. This is the place where we make learning simple, clear and engaging. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe so you can join us on this journey of mastering maths, science and more.
Factorize the following expression, 12x squared plus 18x minus 30xy. So what we are going to do first is we are going to look for the highest common factor of all three terms. We have 12x squared, we have 18x, and we have negative 30xy. So we can see that all three terms have a factor of 6x. So let's see what this expression will look like if we take out the common factor 6x. Then we are left with 2x plus 3 minus 5y. And we can verify if this is correct. Let's quickly check if this is correct. 6x times 2x is equal to 12x squared. 6x times positive 3 is equal to positive 18x. 6x times negative 5y is equal to negative 30xy. So we know that this is correct. So our factorized answer will look like this. 6x multiplied by the trinomial 2x plus 3 minus 5y. And there you will get your 2 marks.
Thank you for watching today's video on Smart Culture Education. If you found it helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to stay updated, tap the notification bell so you never miss our next lesson. See you in the next video.